Do you struggle with quilting math? Would you like a sewing machine that calculates your quilt blocks for you? Check this out. Hi, I'm Chris Davidson from Sewing Parts Online, and I am going to show you how to use the Quilt Block Advisor. We're going to come over here to this icon right here with the 3 slashes. We're going to activate that. We're going to go down to the second line right here, which is Quilt Block Advisor. We're going to select that arrow, and there they are. You have 6 different blocks that you can choose from. Let's start with a simple one, which is the 9 patch right here. Perfect for beginners. We're going to talk a little bit about the screen, and then I'm going to show you how to get the block size that you're wanting to create. Here's the kicker. This is what's really cool. The machine even calculates your 1/4 inch seam for you. So right now, block 1 or A1 is the light color. Block A2 is your darker color. And right now it's set at 2.5 by 2.5 inches. We're going to look down here. It's letting you know how many pieces. Remember, A1 is your light one, and it's telling you need 4. A2 is your darker one, and it's telling you need 5, okay? So let's move over here. You can customize your block. You can tell it how many rows you want, horizontal and vertical. This is your standard block right here. What if we want a larger size? We're going to come down here to the width height, and we're going to go to where we want to go. Right now, let's look at the 8 inch. If you look back over here, you're going to see it's recalculated those numbers for you. Let's make a 12 inch block. And if you look, while I'm just scrolling through here, all these numbers are changing for you. And there it is, 4.5 by 4.5. How awesome is that? So what if you're wanting to do a log cabin block? It could be a table runner, a quilt, or whatever. Check out this cool. Log cabin, activate that icon. Now, if you look up here, it is going to give you all of the information that you're wanting. It's breaking down into your lights and your darks. It's still calculating your 1/4 inch seam allowance for you, and it's going to give you your layout. Now, this is the fun part. You can come in and customize this. You can come in here and tell it how many rows you want and how big you want your block. Now, 6 inch block for a log cabin is going to be very tiny pieces, okay? But it's going to calculate each one of them, lay them out for you. Let's boost up this block to a standard 12 inch block for most beginners. So let's move this over to 12 inches. And if you watch as I'm moving the block size, it's recalculating everything for you. And there it is. Everything has been recalculated for you, and it's just built right in your screen. I like to take a screenshot with my phone, a picture of it, and then I don't have to worry about misplacing my pattern pieces. Where did they go? It's right there on my phone. It's right there on my machine. So how do I get my hands on this Quilt Block Advisor? It's available on this beautiful Janome Continental M6. Available here at sewingpartsonline.com. Happy piecing, everybody.